Homologous chromosomes will carry genes for the same feature in the same sequence, however, different alleles. Here is a pair of homologous chromosomes. They carry the gene that codes for A, B, and C on the same positions. This is gene A. It is found expressed as different alleles on each chromosome. And this is why the DNA in the chromosomes in homologous pairs is not identical. Yes, they have the same genes, but different alleles are expressed for those genes on each chromosome in the pair. And each cell with 2 copies of chromosomes also has 2 copies of genes on the chromosome. Capital A and lowercase a, capital B and lowercase b, capital C and lowercase c are different alleles for the same gene, genes A, B, and C. They will control the same feature, but they will have different expressions of this feature. For example, let's say that gene A controls earlobe attachment, whether we have attached earlobes or free earlobes. What happens if you have both the alleles, the attached one and the free one? Will you have one ear free and one ear attached? Will they both be partly attached? The answer is no. They will be both free if you have both alleles. This is because the allele for the free earlobe is dominant over the allele for the attached earlobe, which means if they are both present, the dominant one is expressed, so both your ears are going to be free. The dominant allele is denoted by a capital letter, and the recessive allele, or the one that is going to be masked by the dominant allele, is denoted by a lowercase letter. Both are the same letter since they are alleles of the same gene.